So I just came back to this place, a job we did over 10 years ago, I think, and hadn't been here the whole time since the original install. And it was always one of those jobs you remember, oh, everything must be great, you know, amazing job we did, and client's happy, everything's working. But things have failed. We got back here and both subwoofers are dead, new owners, so they're doing a tune-up. And lighting control power supply had failed, so we had no control of the lights. Window shades had been reprogrammed, so those needed to be put back into the Somfy control interface. That wasn't working. Video was all unplugged. That didn't work. You know, a full day later, and replaced some power supplies. You know, batteries were all dead in the remotes. One of the remote screens cracked. A lot of tune-ups, but we just finished it. And this was one of the first RTI home automation systems where we interfaced a lot of lights and shades and stuff. It was really cutting edge, first generation RTI processor. So we were pretty excited when we first did this, and surprised we had no calls, but everything was pretty solid. We really just changed some power supplies, did a quick tune-up, and it's all working. So take a look at the programming. This is by the front door. It's a touch panel. You have home and away if you want to turn off all the lights as you come and go. You can select lighting zones, go into the master bedroom or the kitchen, and it simulates the Lutron keypads on the walls in those rooms. When you press home, you go back to this zone select page where you have some quick tabs along the sides. This is the way we did it the first time we programmed one of these. So we got the climate is on here. It's Aprilair. Control the temperature set point. It's just a heating system. Air conditioning is separate from this. We have window shades. It's Somfy, just one-way control, so we can't see feedback as to what the shades are doing, but you can adjust the shades in every area. It's a condo. It was a 2-bedroom, but it was converted to just a 1-bedroom with an open floor plan. Of course, the lights I already showed you. Simulates the Lutron keypads, some weather, web browser. This sleep timer was kind of neat. If you wanted to wake up at a certain time, you can just say 8:30, and then tomorrow morning the wake preset, which turns on the music and puts the lights and shades up, would automatically come on at 8:30 in the morning. It's the first timer we integrated with a RTI system to trigger an event when you wake up. And then this is all the media, so select an area. So we got sound and video in 5 different zones: living room, cable TV, Apple TV, disc player, AirPlay, or a headphone jack. We just stripped a bunch of this stuff out to simplify it because this place will be actually for rent, so wanted to keep it really simple. So yeah, you can select a source in that zone. It gets a control. It's an older GUI, kind of fancy. Everything's kind of simpler now. It doesn't have this shiny look that this first generation interfaces had. But yeah, you want to do more stuff, you can control the volume in all the different zones, picture in different areas. Yeah, this was a pretty hot system when we put it in.